Well. Hello, YouTube family. Hey, everyone out there in YouTube land. I am so excited to be here. My name is Brenda Lee, that's me. And I have been wanting to start a YouTube channel for like forever. And I kept delaying it. And guess what? Today, I said today is the day. Aren't you proud of me? Oh my. Yes, my YouTube channel will be called Hanging Out with Brenda Lee, that's me. And because, yes, I do, I love to decorate. I watch decorating channels 24 hours a day. No, like off and on throughout the day. And I just can't get enough. So, of course, I'm like, yes, you need to start your own video YouTube channel, decorating, shopping hauls, clean with me, whatever else you can think of doing. Yes, so today is that day that I finally get started. Ever since Christmas, I have been doing all kinds of shopping hauls, but some of them I think I did capture on video, but I had a big issue with my cell phone. I needed more space. So I have been deleting all these videos that I did create last year. So now I'm starting from day one. And I would love to have you all join me hanging out with Brenda Lee while I transform some of my spaces. I love creating vignettes. I love doing, sometimes I do DIYs, and I love to clean, but I just hate when people come behind me and they don't clean up their mess after I just put all my hard work into cleaning. But anyway, I came to have fun, and hopefully you guys will stick around because I need all the support in the world that I can get. I am one of the new kids on the block, so please. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if I'm doing a good job or not. Give me some suggestions and help a sister out. And share the video. I would absolutely love all of the support that you can give. Okay, so I am going to get started by doing a quick little tour of my family room and kitchen of the state that it's in right now for the winter, and then I will come back with a spring video. Okay, all righty. Well, that was pretty exciting. I'm so proud of myself, as I said before, for getting out my first video. Actually, I was supposed to be getting my videos out last Sunday. However, every kind of technical difficulty that you can imagine, I had it. Okay, but I'm so excited and I'm so grateful and thankful that you stopped by to catch my video, and hopefully you'll be stopping by even more to see what else I can come up with. I really appreciate you taking out the time to like, subscribe, and comment to my video, and also hit the notification bell so that you can know the next time that I'm loading a video, because I do have an Easter and spring decorate with me, actually clean and decorate with me video that is coming out on Easter Sunday. Alrighty, so hopefully you will stop by to catch that one as well. Have a wonderful day. Love you.